Potato is a very versatile vegetable that you can turn into any dish. So in this recipe, I'll be showing you how to make a very simple and easy flavorful potato salad, which will need very few ingredients. And it's going to be very flavorful, delicious, and very filling. You can serve as a side dish or enjoy the salad on its own, and it's going to be super delicious. You're going to need 8 to 10 small potatoes that you have thoroughly washed on the outside. As you can see, mine are not peeled. So yeah, we are ready to make this salad. So we're going to start off by boiling our potatoes, which are nice and clean. So you're going to place a pot, add in cold water. This is around 3 cups. Then very quickly, you're going to cut the potatoes in half and transfer to your pot. Transfer to your pot, then you're going to add in a generous amount of salt. So I'm going to add in a teaspoon. Wait for the water to come to a boil, then you're going to cook your potatoes for around 3 to 5 minutes. Or if you want to check if the potatoes are ready, just insert a skewer. Once you notice that the skewer can run through, or a toothpick, the potatoes are ready. Meanwhile, we're going to be prepping up our veggies, and I have 1 medium onion, a lemon, 1 medium carrot, and some coriander. So I'm going to pick my carrot, peel, then using my sharp knife, I'm going to remove the ends. Pick my box grater, and then I'm going to grate the carrots. So I'm going to be using this side of the grater. I'm going to cover my pot so that the water can quickly come to a boil. Once you have a small piece of carrot, just like this, you can munch on the carrots or just keep it aside because you don't want to hurt your fingertips with the grater. Transfer the carrots to a bowl or to a plate. Then next you're going to be chopping up your onion. Cut my onion in half, then I'm going to thinly shred the onion. Thinly chop my onion. Transfer the onion to the bowl as well. Then lastly, I'm going to chop up my clean coriander. You can also substitute with parsley. Transfer to my plate. And because I've already prepped up all the veggies, we're going to wait for the potatoes to boil. This is after around 5 minutes. So I'm going to use my skewer and poke my potato. And as you can see, it can run through. That means that the potatoes are well cooked. So I'm going to drain off the water. Once you've drained water from the potatoes, you're going to let the excess steam escape as the potatoes are cooling for around 2 to 3 minutes. Once the potatoes have cooled a little bit, I'm going to cut them in half. The The potatoes are still a little bit hot, so I'm going to use my tongs to pick the potatoes, place on the chopping board and cut in half. I'm going to transfer to my bowl now that the potatoes are fully cooled down. Then we're going to be adding in our onions, carrots, coriander. As you can see, the salad is already looking very colorful. The next I'm going to add in a little touch of black pepper, salt, chili flakes, which are optional, but I find that they add in a very nice spicy kick to the salad. Then I'm going to squeeze in juice of half a lemon, and this is going to bring out all the nice flavors in the salad. Lastly, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Go in with a spoon and toss all the ingredients together until fully combined. And wow, just look at the salad. It's already looking very delicious. Adjust the seasoning to perfection. Once you try out this recipe, it's going to be so good because the salad has turned out so awesome. It's very flavorful since we added in some olive oil and the black pepper. Also, it's a little bit tangy with a kick of spiciness. This is the recipe for you because we have used very basic ingredients and the outcome is so delicious.